Well, hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. I'm gonna make you up a casserole today. Yes guys, me gonna turn up a corn bread casserole in my kitchen. So if you don't want to say, oh, me turn up my cornbread casserole in my kitchen, come on and let's do this. You're going to need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 1 cup of cream of corn, 1 cup of regular corn in a can or frozen corn, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and also you're going to need 4 to 5 tablespoons of sour cream. You're going to need your cooking oil, and you're also going to need 1 pack of corn muffin mix. Any brand you can find in your store. So let's come on and let's get this. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 eggs. And let's go ahead and give it a little mix. Beat it up until it's nice and creamy. You pour it out into your container. Go ahead and you add your 2 tablespoons of sugar. You add your cream of corn. That is 1 cup of cream of corn. It's sweet, guys. And then you add your old corn. That is sweet corn too. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to put your sour cream. Now that's the sour cream. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons in here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of corn oil. And then I'll go ahead and add 1 box of corn muffin mix. And then spin that up. Now guys, while you're doing this, you want to make sure that your oven is preheated. Preheated to 350. Alright? Do not put this thing into a cold oven and then turn on your oven after that. So this is what you're supposed to be looking like by now. Now your next step, you want to get your baking container. Make sure so you butter this thing up real good. You could use cooking spray or you could use butter, but make sure so you butter that up real good, all sides, don't leave out nothing. And then just pour the mixture in here. And once again guys, my oven is preheating 350. This thing should take about 30 minutes to bake. Nothing longer than that. Until the top is nice and golden brown. Then you know say it's ready. If it's not golden brown up at the top, it's not ready. So this is what it should look like, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in my oven. And I'm going to let this thing bake for 30 minutes. No longer, on 350. So I'll put this in the oven and I'll see you back in 30 minutes. Well, here you have it, guys. My casserole is all finished. How you know it's done? When it has a nice golden brown right around the side. See how that's nice and golden brown? So that's when you know it's finished. So now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and put it on a plate. I'm going to slice it so you guys could actually see what it looks like on the inside. Put it on a plate with some a nice meal, and you guys will see the finishing touch. Alright, so see you back in 5 minutes. So there you have it, guys. I'm all done, ready to eat. Now this is my casserole, my cornbread casserole. You see, it's nice It's just perfect, just the way you want to have it, and you could eat it up with just about anything. All right, so here you have it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video as well, and also post pictures. Let me know what you would like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And don't forget, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage. You know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.